I recently finished building a Hebridean wind vane for my boat. It's a 1989 Pearson 31-2. It has wheel steering instead of a tiller. There's a lot of videos out there regarding the Hebridean on how to build it and how to tune it up. So I don't necessarily want to go there. Those are great videos. I just want to show a couple things that the system that I built. John recently has made a drum kit for a wheel steering system. So I wanted to show what that's like and what I've done with that. And then also every mount for a boat's going to be a little different. I thought I'd show what I did with mine. For the wheel steering, here you can see the wind vane and the drum kit for the wheel steering. It's basically two separate wheels. You have the outside one, which the wind vane attaches to and can control the steering, and you have a backing plate which is affixed to the wheel. Connecting the two is a threaded rod that goes all the way through, and then that enables you to engage the steering. All you have to do is tighten that up, and now whenever you, in this case I'm turning the wheel to make the tiller turn, but the opposite would be true in the water. So you just tighten that up to engage the steering. To disengage it, you just loosen it up. So it's really simple. And now I can turn the wheel and the wind vane is disengaged. My wheel had about a 2-inch hub, 1 3/4, 2 inches, 2-inch hub on it. So I made this extension that basically just covers, has a hole in the back to cover up that hub, and then I just used pad eyes to attach that extension to the wheel, and then that extension is just epoxied to this backing plate. So overall the system's relatively simple, but very nice, elegant. You can see I have the Raymarine wheel pilot on there, and that can easily be engaged independent of the wind vane. So that's the drum kit that John's made up. For my mounting, you can see right in the middle of the boat there's a boarding ladder, right where you would want to mount the system. So what I've done is create something that just utilizes that boarding ladder for the mount. I'll go ahead and take the wind vane off so it can show you a little better what that system is. Here's a better view of the mount that I made. You can see the boarding step, the boarding ladder, and then the mount just fits between the fixed step down there and then the ladder, and I can move it back and forth. and it just sits in there. It's not bolted to anything. I have some hose clamps on there just for safety. I don't think I need them, but you'd hate to find out I was wrong. Let me take that out and then I'll show you how I built it. So I can take that, open the ladder a little bit, and you can see it just slides in with the steps. If I can open this up enough without dropping my phone. Oops. And then, so you can see the groove on top here, screwed in on one side. The right side is able to move, so it can clamp down on the mount. So anyway, that's how I did the mount for my boat without having to drill any holes in the boat, which I liked.